If you put a le in front of any action or adjective, the action or the adjective is going to become negative. Siva, le siva. Ote le siva. Kea, le kea. Ote le kea. Fia fia. Le fia fia. Ele fia fia le teine. Notice in front of the le is a tense marker. Tense marker, le, then the action or adjectives. Also notice that I stretch out the in le. That's different from le, which is the. Le also makes nouns negative, but to make it negative, the noun is stated in the complete subject phrase format. The complete subject phrase format includes the o noun tense marker. For example, teine is translated as girl. Le teine is the girl, not le teine, it's le teine. That's the le. The complete subject phrase format is o le teine. So to say it is not the girl, we need our tense marker, le, and then the complete subject phrase o le teine.
Ele o le teine.
Oftentimes you'll hear the le and the o written as leo.
Ele o le teine.
You'll find other negative forms like lei or not yet, and lei, which means no, on the website. The next 8-week session begins November 7th. Get your lifetime passes to Zoom classes, tutorials, and worksheets at pacificapages.net.